This is TWiT.
Okay, so Tavis, our great buddy at Google, who just, everywhere he looks, it's like with this amazing fine-tuned precision ability to find and find vulnerabilities and help the industry get smarter, has decided to take a look at highly popular online gaming, thinking, nobody's looked over there, with his level of expertise. It turns out that last December, he took a look at Blizzard's company-wide, distribution-wide download and install and maintenance facility and found a significant problem. This affected World of Warcraft, Overwatch, Diablo 3, StarCraft 2, the entire catalog of extremely popular Blizzard online gaming. He reached out to them, as he does, for full responsible disclosure, opened a dialogue, explained the problem that he found, provided them with a proof of concept, which allowed, get this, any website to leverage the lack of strong authentication in Blizzard's entire suite of gaming to allow it to download and install and run arbitrary code on any gamer's machine. Whoops. Unfortunately, who knows what the politics is behind this, but I don't think whoever it was he talked to at Blizzard knew who he was, because they stopped communicating with him. They went silent, cut him off, and then implemented a fix that didn't work without any further interaction. They then went public with their great, ballyhooing, we care about security, we fix things. And Tavis said, no, you didn't. That's not a good fix. And the bottom line is, after a little bit of embarrassment and backpedaling, somebody more mature or more aware of what's going on in the industry said, oh, shoot. Yes, Tavis knows what he's talking about. Apologies were made. Dialogue was reestablished. Blizzard then said that what they put out was something that they had around for a while, and it wasn't really meant to be the permanent fix, but they're doing one now, and they'll have it online soon. And Tavis said, oh, okay, good. And so they've reestablished communication with him, and with any luck, they will involve him in their proposed solution this time, and he can take a look at it and say, yes, that looks good. And this is of interest to all other major online gaming companies, because Tavis has since decided that he's going to look at the other ones. So if you're not Blizzard and you have been watching this happen, make sure Tavis has a way of getting a hold of you, and listen when he tells you that he's found a problem. Don't be embarrassed. Don't suddenly, pull the rug in over yourself and hide. Just work with him, fix the problem, and that'll be the path to least resistance. So, those of us in the security industry, and we talk about this all the time, have learned that certainly, for example, the guys at LastPass respond within minutes of Tavis contacting them and saying, whoops, I found the problem here, as does everybody in the security industry. So, Blizzard probably now understands that that Tavis and Google and Project Zero are valuable components of this industry that should be taken advantage of when offered freely, as they are.